Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows XP on VMware Workstation 25H2 step by step. If you don't have the Windows XP ISO file, don't worry, you can find a download link in the description below. First, open VMware Workstation. On the home screen, click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Now choose Install a disk image file, and browse to your Windows XP ISO file. After selecting the ISO file, click Next. VMware may try to detect the operating system automatically. Now, enter a name for your virtual machine. You can also choose the location where you want to save it. Click Next to continue. Set the disk size. For Windows XP, 20 GB is more than enough, but you can increase it if needed. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file for better performance. Then click Next. Make sure RAM, at least 512 MB. You can change it using Customize Hardware. After that, click Close, then click Finish. Now, power on the virtual machine. The Windows XP setup will start. You'll see a blue setup screen. Press Enter to start installation. Press F8 to accept the license agreement. Now select the unpartitioned space and press Enter. If you want to make more partitions, press C. Enter partition size, press Enter. Select partition, press Enter. Choose Format the partition using NTFS, Quick, and press Enter. The setup will begin copying files. After that, the system will restart automatically. Now the graphical installation will start. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your region and language. Enter your name. When prompted for the product key, you can search on Google for a Windows XP key and enter it here. Continue the setup, set your computer name, adjust date and time if needed, then click Next. The installation will continue and may restart again. Just let it complete. Once finished, Windows XP will boot into the desktop. You have successfully installed Windows XP on VMware Workstation 25H2. Windows XP is an old operating system. It is not secure for internet use. It's best to use it only for testing or learning purposes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.